I'm Kristen Hall with Energized Nutrition, and I'm here to offer you some personal training in the kitchen, helping you to strengthen your culinary muscles. Imagine a salad that you look forward to eating. Hi, I'm Kristen Hall, registered dietitian and nutrition coach, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and refreshing summertime salad. It's a watermelon, blueberry, cucumber mint salad. So to get us started, I'm going to take my bowl, and right into the bowl, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. To the bowl, I'm going to add in the juice of a fresh lime. There's nothing like the taste of fresh lime. If you don't have lime, you could always use fresh orange juice. And you can use bottled lime, but there's nothing like the taste of fresh lime. So we're going to get that all pressed through with my citrus juicer. And then to this, I'm going to add in a few turns of cracked pepper. Okay, so next I'm going to prepare my veggies. I'm going to take some cucumber, slice that in half, and then just make nice little chops. So this is going to be nice bite-sized pieces of the cucumber. Cucumber is super hydrating on a hot summer day. So not only is this salad tasty, it's also going to contribute to your hydration. So I'm going to add the cucumber right in there. Next, I'm going to take some watermelon. Now you can see I've got it already cut into a nice flat surface so that it'll be a lot safer and easier to work with. And what I'm going to do here is just peel off the rind, or not peel off, cut off the rind. This is going to allow me to create the shape of the watermelon that I would like for the salad. Watermelon is also super hydrating during the summertime as well. So, a wonderful way to get some hydration in addition to liquids like water is through some of the food that you have. Like nice, yummy, juicy watermelon. So you can see what I'm doing here is just cutting the watermelon into nice pieces. Nice lengths like this. And all I'm doing is rotating it by 90 degrees to create the shape that I'm interested in. And I'm going to throw that right into the salad, just like that. Now, I'm making this into a salad, but you could still take the same ingredients and make this into a salsa. You probably would just cut the pieces a little bit smaller, but the same flavor combination would work really well. This would be delicious on a pulled pork, maybe on a taco, maybe beside some tortilla chips. You got nice crunch and salt of the salad, or salt of the tortilla chip with the sweet of the salad. Okay, so I've got that added in. And next, I'm going to add the blueberries. I'm going to finish off with some fresh mint. This mint is from my garden, and I've got lots of it there. Now, if you wonder, how else can you use mint in your diet? You could throw it into smoothies. You could infuse some of your water with fresh mint. And fresh mint and other herbs is also delicious in a nice salad like this. So you can see what I've done is I've taken all the veggies and put it right into the salad, just like this. And I'll just mix in all the vinaigrette all into the salad. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to add in some feta cheese. This is going to add in a tangy saltiness to the salad. You want to just add this in just before you serve it, because the salt from the cheese is going to draw out the moisture of the watermelon. So we want to make sure we just add it right before we serve it, just to maintain the nice texture of the salad. This summertime salad is going to leave you hydrated and revitalized, and it's going to keep your kitchen nice and cool. If you want to serve this for your supper, pair it with a nice protein-rich food like grilled chicken, grilled fish, pulled pork, grilled tofu, hard-cooked eggs, or maybe just a small bowl of nuts. I'm Kristen Hall, and remember, if you struggle with food, know that change is possible. Just take it one bite at a time. Bye for now.